Hello, it's Gummy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily withdraw your money from the KuCoin crypto app. Whether you want to withdraw euros, Swiss francs, or US dollars, we'll go through it step by step in a super simple way. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to show you on the KuCoin mobile app, but it's the same if you're using the web browser at kucoin.com. So I open the KuCoin app and land on my account. First, tap on the assets icon at the bottom right. You'll be able to see an overview of how much money you have on KuCoin across your different accounts. You can see that you have different accounts: funding account, trading account, margin account, futures, and so on. The first step actually is to transfer everything to the funding account, because it's only from the funding account that you'll be able to withdraw your crypto or your money, your fiat currencies, your euros, and so on. So if we go back to overview, we can see that I have $506.55 in my funding account, so that's fine. But I have $17.13 in my trading account. So we are going to transfer my trading dollars to my funding account first. To do this, it's very simple. You just need to click on the trading account. Next, there's the transfer button at the top. You click on it and then you'll be able to specify the direction you want to transfer. In our case, we want to move money out of my trading account and put it into my funding account. So we click on the arrow to change the direction. Then we click on the crypto we want to transfer. It's USDT, that's correct. Then you enter the amount. Mine is $17.13 and then click confirm. It happens instantly. And now if we go back to my funding account, we can see that my $17.3 is there. Next, you need to decide in which fiat currency you want to withdraw your money. Will it be euros? Will it be US dollars? Will it be Swiss francs? Because actually, depending on the fiat currency you want to withdraw, the method will change. The easiest is to withdraw euros, because if you click on withdraw at the top, you have the fiat currency option. You click on it and you can see that euros are already displayed, and you can see that you can make bank withdrawals that are really inexpensive using the SEPA function. It only costs you €1 in fees. So that's really the ideal scenario. If you want to withdraw euros, for example, if you live in France, Belgium, etc., it's the simplest way. On the other hand, if you live in another country, or if you want to withdraw, for example, US dollars or Swiss francs, if you live in Switzerland, well, here you can already see that for Swiss francs, there isn't an option for Swiss francs, the CHF. So that's going to be a problem. And on the other hand, if you want to withdraw in dollars, you click on dollar at the very bottom. You can see that the fees are huge. For a bank transfer, it costs $80. So you'll see that it's not advantageous at all to do this on KuCoin. Now I'm going to show you the option to withdraw your euros from KuCoin in a very simple way. And then I'll show you a trick to still be able to withdraw your Swiss francs or US dollars from your KuCoin app. To withdraw your euros, you need to convert your crypto into euros before you can withdraw them. To do this, it's simple. You click on overview at the top left, and then you have the option buy crypto. You click on it, and then you're going to click on sell, because what we want is to sell crypto to get euros back. Next, you click on the crypto you specifically want to sell. For example, we're going to sell USDT. Then at the top right, you click on the fiat currency you want to receive. For us, that would be euros. Then you enter the amount you want to sell, so $17.13, and then you click on the first option, which is balance, and you can see that you'll get back 15.93 euros. There will be a small fee, about 0.02%, but that's a fee from the KuCoin platform that you should keep in mind. Next, you click on sell USDT. There are some security settings you need to follow. For example, you can see that I'm missing my phone number. If there are any other requirements you haven't met, you just need to complete them. Once that's done, you'll arrive at this page with a summary of the fees. All you have to do is click confirm, and there you go. You've successfully sold your crypto to get your euros back. You can click on view assets to see the summary. And now if you click on your funding account, you can see that I have 15.9 euros with the little green fiat icon. And now we'll be able to withdraw it to our bank account. To do this, click on withdraw in the funding account. You can see that since I had to enter my mobile phone number, it said I had to wait 24 hours. Actually, KuCoin has a lot of these kinds of limitations that make it difficult to withdraw your money from the app. It's a bit sad because putting money in is very easy on KuCoin, but withdrawing it is already much more complicated. You have to enable two-factor authentication, your mobile phone, and so on. And even when you do that, there are still more limitations. You see, I have to wait 24 hours, and they do this on purpose because they know that a lot of people will end up forgetting and will ultimately leave their funds on the KuCoin app. So if you had already added your mobile number, you could have withdrawn your euros without any problem. If that's not the case, and like me, you have to wait 24 hours, you can choose to wait and then withdraw them tomorrow. Otherwise, I can show you another trick to withdraw your euros, but also your Swiss francs and US dollars very easily, without such limitations, so you can get your funds much faster into your bank account. This trick is to use the Swissborg crypto app. Another crypto application that I really like to use And that allows you to withdraw your crypto into fiat currency to your bank account in a really smooth and simple way. It's done in just a few clicks. There are no limitations like on KuCoin, Binance, Bybit, etc. You just need to download the Swissborg app. You'll find the link directly in the video description or as the first pinned comment below the video. You just have to click on it. Then, you open it and it will automatically redirect you to download the app. Plus, you'll get a scratch ticket on the app that lets you win up to 100 euros in bonus. It's all benefits for you. Don't hesitate. You click on accept the invitation and then open to download the app from the Apple Store, Google Play Store, etc. Once that's done, you open the Swissborg app. Sign up it really only takes 5 minutes. It's super quick. Then you'll find yourself on this home screen. What we're going to do is transfer our crypto from KuCoin to Swissborg so that we can then convert it into euros, Swiss francs or US dollars and then withdraw it to our bank account more easily thanks to Swissborg. If we go back to KuCoin, what we're going to do is take our crypto and convert it into a coin with low transaction fees, like Solana, for example. We'll convert our Ethereum into Solana so we can then transfer it to Swissborg. To do this, tap on Trade at the bottom. Then, swipe and go to the Convert option at the top right. Select the Ethereum you want to convert, so here ETH. Then choose the crypto you want to convert to, which is Solana. Tap on it. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to convert. You'll see a summary, plus you can see that there are 0 fees at the moment, so that's perfect. Click on Confirm, and now your Ethereum has been converted to Solana. So next, go back to the overview. You can see that your Solana has been moved to the trading account and that a conversion has taken place. Now, you just need to move them back to the funding account. Click on Transfer, select from trading to funding, choose your Solana, select the maximum amount, and confirm. It's automatically transferred to funding. Now, we're going to transfer this Solana to Swissborg. To do this, you need to open the Swissborg app, click on the deposit icon, then select that you want to transfer crypto all the way at the bottom. Next, choose to deposit Solana right here. They tell us to make sure to use the Solana protocol, so that's perfect. Next, we're going to copy and paste the deposit address. And now, if we go back to KuCoin, we'll click on withdraw. We'll select that we want to withdraw our Solana. Then they'll ask us for an address. That's the Swissborg address, which we'll paste right here. Allow paste, then paste. Perfect. We select that we're going to use the Solana network. The advantage with Solana is that there's only one network, so you can't go wrong. Next, we'll enter the number of Solana we want to deposit, so the maximum in my case. We confirm the withdrawal. All that's left is to enter our security verification to validate the transaction. Next, all you have to do is go back to Swissborg, and in a few minutes, you'll receive your Solana. There you go. I just received the Solana in my Swissborg account. We got the notification. That's perfect. Then, for the final step, we're going to exchange this Solana for euros, Swiss francs, or whatever you prefer. Just scroll down and click on Solana. Next, there's the exchange button in the middle. You select what you want to exchange it for example, euros, and click on euro. Then by clicking on only, you specify the amount you want to exchange. You can choose 50%, all of it, whatever you want. Then click next. After that, you get a summary of the transaction. If everything looks good, click confirm. And there you go. In just a few seconds, your Solana is converted into euros. The last step, which is very simple, is to click on the withdraw button right here. You'll add a bank account, then click next. All you have to do is enter the IBAN of your bank account and paste it in. Once that's done, select your bank account, click withdraw on this account, and then just click next. You'll see a final summary with the service fees. As you can see here, I entered the withdrawal of 2,000 euros. The service fees remain at 4.50. This is one of Swissborg's great strengths. The withdrawal fees for bank accounts are really low. And then if everything looks good, all you have to do is click confirm. After a few days, you'll receive your funds in your bank account. And that's it.